out solitary. I'm getting more comfortable. This is Lippy Witch, and we are on week 188, and we are talking about magical food. Now, this is something I can give a little bit more like info on because I love food. I really do. Um, Now, there's a variety of ways you can put like magic into food. It could be just your intention. Say you're just making soup for a sick child, you're putting your energy, healing energy into the soup. So when they ingest it, they're also ingesting your healing energy for them to get better. Or you can use ingredients magically. Since most of us use herbs in our practice, and a lot of herbs are edible, uh, especially if you eat meat. A lot of people use different herbs to season their meat, or they add like say basil or even pepper can be used, like say on potatoes, or I hear my child waking up, so I'll make this kind of quick. But you can use a lot of herbs in different ways in your food, and those correspond to different magical things that you may want to incorporate into your life more. So that is one way of doing magic in your food. I'm not a cook. I love food. I'll eat it. I'm just not a cook. I suck at cooking. So if I'm really wanting to, I will do magical cooking, but that is definitely not my strong suit. But I know how to do it for sure. And though this is not cooking per se, I do feel that people don't mention this nearly as much as they should when it comes to your practice. Drink a lot of drink a lot of water and clear out your system of much crap before doing magical work. I feel that having a cleaner body will also give you a cleaner mind, and that will make your intentions more clear, your energies clearer in getting things the way you want it to work out. So that is it for this week, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.